Okay. I I chatted you before. I don't know if actually it was your other number. I chatted you, so I
The the
miss
the
any.
MTN.
Yeah, I think it was the other one.
Yeah, that number has been inactive for a while. Bro, it's a very long story, but I'm just happy I'm here today.
Ah,
That's just it.
thank God.
Yeah.
Thank God. Anyways, we have been having meeting every Sunday as usual. Well, I didn't hear from you. I didn't know what was wrong. I chatted, but you did not respond. I said, okay, we'll see. I'm trying to get our last week uh last week analysis. I think I mistakenly deleted it so that
Yeah,
oh
you posted it on the group. I saw it.
yeah, I posted the last week analysis, right? Our
Yeah.
outlook. Hmm. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. The thing just disappeared. I can't find it from my watch list. It's not this one, and it's not this
No,
one.
it's not that one. Good afternoon, sir. It's not that one. You did it on FXCM.
FXCM. Ah,
Yeah, last week. You did it on FXCM.
okay. This is FXCM, right? Let me try.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, this is not. This is the FFCM, but I'm not seeing the drawings here.
Okay, shall I send it back to the group?
Yeah, can you send it to the group, please? Please, Miss Margaret.
Sure, sure. I'll do it now.
All right. Let's follow. Let's follow it and know what happened and see what happened last week.
Okay, I've sent it, sir.
Okay, very good. Um, yeah. Okay, that's it. So let's sketch it and see what happened last week. Yeah. It's from our 4 hours. I'm deleting this. Let's get exactly our analysis last week. Okay. Um, I hope I'm getting it right, guys. Miss Margaret, from where I drew this, I hope I'm on the right track, right? Miss Margaret, hello. Are you with us? From here to okay. Where the market is currently 51,847. 51,847. 51,847. Okay, somewhere here. Are you with us, Miss Margaret? Can you please speak? I hope I'm on the right track. Please, hello. Those that were in the class last week. Chinaza, were you in the class last week? Last week Saturday? Sunday, sorry. Okay. Miss Margaret, I think will probably she's busy or something. So let's just continue. I think this is what we had this is what we had last week. This is what we had last week. I expected the market to come down to this angle. We had our first entry and second entry. This was our first entry, right? Are you guys hearing me? This was our first entry. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. This was our first entry, I think. This was our first entry. Okay, I've gotten it. This was our first entry. Let me delete this. This was our first entry, and this is where we expected the market. Our second entry was here. First entry. And the second entry was somewhere here. Yeah. So that's it. I don't know what happened. The thing just wiped out from my watch list. So let's take it right. But the market did not really get to our entry. But it just tapped. Will I say
No, sir.
it did not? It just tapped it and moved up. The first entry. If you watch at the first entry, at the 51 300. That was our first entry. We said that the market is going to come. You see the level. Our first entry was 51 300. But the market did not, it didn't really get there. It got there, created a wick at this level. Created a wick. Are you guys seeing what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Where have you know the fib? Sorry, sir. Where's the fib that you've drawn it to? Because I think the zero is meant to be on 51,847.
51,847.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's on a red candle, a Friday
yes,
candle
yes,
with a
yes.
red candle.
847. I was calling you
51.
before. Yeah. Somewhere
Oh,
here,
sorry.
right?
I had something on the cooker. Yeah.
Uh,
51,847. Yeah, somewhere there. Yeah.
okay. Yeah, very good. Because okay, now yeah. This was our first entry. This was our first entry. Our first entry. We said that the market will come here. Wait. Okay, yeah, this was our first entry at this level. where the market tapped. You know, I told you guys that the market might likely not get to our second entry. It will
Yeah.
just tap the first entry and move on, but it did not give us any sign, any engulfing candle. But
Yeah.
when you go to, I saw when the market taps there. When you go to 5 minutes, you will see a very clear picture of what the market did. What is happening? Mhm. Can you guys see?
Yes, sir.
On 1 hour, it did not show. But when it comes to 5 minutes, it gave us an engulfing candle, right? But we trade from 1 hour. So the market did not get to our entry. Let's just take it like the market did not get to our entry. Did anyone trade last week? Did any of you trade last week?
No, sir.
No, I didn't.
I didn't. Okay. Anyways, that's it. So we are going to do our analysis for the week. Yeah, we'll have to do our analysis for the week. The market did not get our entry last week, and give us the normal confirmation that we are looking for. You understand? For the past will I say 1 month now, the market it has not been getting to our entry, like the exact way we analyze. But when you go to 5 minutes, you will see something to take from there, but it's not advisable for us that are doing swing. Is that clear? But me, I trade 5 minutes. I scalp sometimes when I see, especially New York section, I scalp and I swing. But when I mostly swing is when the market gets to my entry. But if the market does not get to my entry, I will use 1 hour and analyze. I will use 5 minutes and enter the trade. But if you don't understand it, it's not advisable because it is very, very
Mm.
fast. US30 is very, very fast on New York section. So you have to know how it moves, how the movement works, right? So
Yes, sir.
so that is it. Is there any of us that is still trading challenge account? Anyone trading challenge account? Yeah, or life account? Aside from
I'm
Miss
trading.
Margaret, uh,
Okay. So,
yeah, aside from you, is there any other person? I already know you trade
Yeah,
life.
I'm trading.
Okay,
I'm trading a
Chukwemeka, you
life
trade
account.
life account.
Yeah.
Okay, who else? Who else? Chinaza? Who else is trading life account or challenge account? You know how many of you? Okay, so um, what will happen is this. Normally, we are not supposed to be trading from 5 minutes. Do you understand? So what is going to happen is it is going to be willingly. You understand? It is going to be willingly. By next week, because this is new, we're already in new month. This week that we are entering, I will do our normal top-down analysis for the week. I hope you guys are hearing me.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
We'll do our normal top-down for the week, right?
Yeah.
But before 4:30, I will analyze the market. This is if you want to take the trade if you want to. If you don't want to, you still wait for our normal top-down analysis for the market to come there, right? The one I'm going to be dropping within the week is going to be highest 200 pips. You are out.
Okay, perfect, sir. That's
Yes,
perfect.
All right.
Thank you.
highest
Thank you, sir.
200 pips. You are out of the market. But
Okay.
when the market gets to our normal analysis for the week, when it gets to our entry and you see confirmation, then you can enter and hold till
Okay.
Thursday, irrespective of
Okay.
the fact that I will still be dropping. If I see entry, if I see a good entry, if I analyze the market and see a good entry, I will still be dropping trades. You understand? But it's 200 pips or 100 pips trade. 100 pips. If it's 100 pips, 50 pips stop loss. If it's 200 pips, 100 pips stop loss. I don't know if you understand. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying.
Yes, I
Yeah.
do. I do.
Yeah, so that at least we'll be making a little bit of cash within the week.
Okay.
Because me, I trade.
Okay.
I trade. When I see entry, I trade. If the
Mm.
market settle to what I see, I trade. I analyze the market. After analyzing this market, when we get to when the market has not gotten to my entry for that period, maybe on Monday, like tomorrow now, the market has not gotten on Tuesday. I do analyze the market before New York section, but it's going to be a quick scalp. If I catch 200 pips, I'm out. I'll close. Or if I catch 100 pips, I'm out. Because what I'm trading is
Okay.
I'm trading a funded nest account. I'm trading funded nest account. And next week I'm buying 200K. I want to buy 200K. Once I get my payout next week, I'm buying 200K. I will be trading like three accounts: 15K, 100K, and 200K.
Fantastic.
You
Well
see?
done.
So,
Congratulations, sir.
yeah, so that's how we'll be scaling up gradually.
Okay.
We'll have to be scaling up. We don't have to be stagnant, right?
Amen.
So that is it. That's what we'll be doing. So that I will not be missing out. Like US30 is very fast. It's very, very fast. It can give you 200 pips now and take it again immediately. That's what
Yeah.
you guys need to understand. It can give you 100 pips
Exactly.
and take that 100 pips immediately. Like 100 pips buy, 100 pips sell, 200 pips buy, 200 pips buy, sell. That's how US30 does. So once you master it, you can even decide to be taking 100 pips every day unless you are disciplined. If you discipline yourself, okay, I want to be taking 100 pips every day, you can be seeing it on US30. But you have to discipline yourself because it comes with a lot of temptation. Because when you get 100 pips, you will say, oh, you will see opportunity again. You'll be like, you want to enter again. So you will need to have a level of discipline before you can say you want to be taking 100 pips. When you take 100 pips, whether the market is doing 300, 500 is none of your business. You take it and you leave the market. It requires a lot of discipline. It requires a lot of discipline, honestly. So, so that is it. Do we have any question? Based on the fact that we are trading only US30. That's why I say let me be doing this. It's because we are trading only US30, right? So that is it. The market is still an uptrend. The market is still an uptrend. The market is still buying. Yeah, the market is still buying. We are expecting the market to start retracing massively. Are you guys seeing what I'm doing?
Yeah.
We are expecting the market to start retracing massively is at this level, which it has not gotten to that level. I'm expecting the market to get to 53,500, 53,500 before I'll start expecting a massive sell-off, a massive drop to this angle. So for now, the market is still an uptrend. So I hope you guys understand what I'm saying, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very good. So what will happen is this. Do you have any challenge? Do you have any challenge? Um, do you have any challenge at all on US30? Is there anything that is confusing you that you want to understand more, or you want me to throw more light on it? Is there any confusion, any challenge at all? Bring it on so that we'll tackle it before we do our top down.
For me, no, nothing really. I'm good. I'm okay.
You guys does not ask question. Oh. When I was with my mentor, I asked question like mad. It's the more you ask question, the more you learn. You guys don't ask me question. You guys don't ask question. And if
Well,
you don't ask
okay.
questions, I don't know what to say. And sometimes I will say all I think I know. But if you ask me question, it will now make me to recall back what I know. That's the good thing about us asking question, right? So you
Okay.
guys should try as much as possible to ask questions. It's very good.
Uh, all right. That's true on that. Okay. For me, I don't. Why I said I don't really think I have much questions is because I feel like I've been able to acquire some certain knowledges, and I just kind of discipline myself to some extent that I just follow one rules. And you said something of we always trying to go up with 100 pips a day or 200. I mean, you just have to discipline your mind towards that. If once you achieve that goal every single day, you're good to go, irrespective of whatever it is that happens on the market. But aside from that, I feel like I have something that I've been battling with, but I kind of didn't want to bring it up, or probably don't want to put more tension to it because I feel like I'm just okay with that 100 pips every single day. Sometimes I don't even trade. Sometimes in a week, sometimes 2 weeks. Just like recently that I've been away for long now. I've not been able to trade at least for like 3 weeks now. So what I'm trying to say is I'm having issues with this funded next of the thing, like how to start my first account with them, how to make deposits and everything. But in general, I think I've been having a little bit of issues with my finance lately. So probably that's why I've not been really to like, give it 100%. But aside from that, I'm good with every other thing. So that's just it.
Okay, okay, very good, Jim. The thing there is that like I usually say, if you don't have capital, if you don't have capital to trade, you can start from somewhere. I am scaling up. Me, I don't have capital too. That's one thing you guys need to understand. I started my first account I bought from Fundedness is 15,000. And how much did I buy it? It was 100 and something. That was when they were giving discount, 50% discount. That was when I bought the $15,000. Listen very careful. This thing might help any of you. I used $149 to buy $15,000 account, right? That $15,000 account, I bought it. I passed the challenge. I traded that account. I made the first payout I made. The first payout that they gave me was 500 and something. Listen very carefully, 500 and something. When they give 500 and something, I took it. The second payout was 1,000, 1,002 thereabouts. The second payout. Remember, they pay 2 weeks. Once you pass the account, the first payment is after 21 days. Then the second payment is 2 weeks. So the second payout was 1,002. Immediately I got the 1,002. I took out 500 and something. I got $100,000 account, right? Immediately I got $100,000 account. I started trading that one. I left the 15,000. Now I've upgraded. Sometimes because of their policy, sometimes I put on trade and leave it. You understand? I left the 15,000 and focus on the 100,000 because yes, there is difference. That one has more. I have more opportunity to trade that one and make more money than 15,000. Right? So I started trading the 100,000. Then the 100,000 that I'm trading now, though I have losses, I've had drawdowns. Now I will receive payout next week. Next week, when I receive payout next week, I will use the money. I will still divide it. I will buy $200,000 account. The $15,000 that I'm trading, the small money that I'm making there, I'm using it to keep up. Why I'm trading the 100,000? I'm mastering how to use a big account. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Remember, how do I start? I started with $149. Now
Yes.
I'm already scaling up to 200. If they pay me, they will pay me on Tuesday, about 3,000 something. If they pay me, I'm scaling to 200,000. That is where I will now say okay, because you are not allowed to have more than 3 accounts on fundedness. That's the highest. 200K is the highest for account you can have with them. Then once I get it, I trade it to 200,000. I don't mind if it's going to maybe this year. You have to think on a long-term gratification if you want to make it in trading. You don't think like a gambler. You think on a long term. This thing I'm telling you guys is what I do. Like is what I do. I practice it, and this is my goal. Is my set goal. I said that this year I'm going to get 200K fundedness account. It's not even half of. It's not even almost ending of the year. I'm already getting there. It's a goal I set for myself. I'm working, no. It's not that I'm not working. This is just a side. I have my normal salary job that I do. This is just a side hustle that I'm doing. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. And he's paying me. He's even paying me. Imagine that I'm doing it full time.
I understand you, sir. It makes
I don't even
sense.
understand. I'm putting 8 hours in my normal salary job, but this one I
Yes.
trade when I have time. I open the channel when I have time. It's not even when I trade. I make money. I go. Sometimes 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and in a month I'm making what they are not even paying me in 3 months.
Sure.
Let's be sincere with ourselves. What you just
Yeah.
need, let your salary be paying your bills while you
Hmm.
while you train yourself to master this skill set. Then when
Yes.
you have mastered this skill set with the discipline, psychology, and everything, you can now be able to leave your 9 to 5 and focus on trading. Because trading is what is
Man.
going to change your life, whether I like it or not.
Yes.
Unless you just want to live a comfortable life, you now decide to, okay,
No.
uh that's it. Me, I don't want to settle for less. All those Lamborghinis
No.
people are driving is human being. They don't have two
Yes,
heads.
no.
All
Uh-uh.
those nice cars, nice houses, nice vacations. Is human beings.
Uh-huh.
And they are not
Yes,
salary
no.
earners. Nobody is a salary. None of them are salary earners. Salary earning will not give you that money.
At
How much
all.
are they going to pay you? Your boss self does not even want you to get richer than him. So,
Uh-uh.
so he cannot pay you that amount. So what is going to help you is trading. If
Man.
that's line of
Yes.
what you want to focus on, is trading. Try as much. I
Yes.
know trading is difficult, but try. I'm not seeing the sweetness of trading. I'm telling you, it's not that I'm seeing it. Before I was not
Hmm.
seeing it, but I still insist that this thing, trading or nothing, this is my retirement plan.
Man.
Yes, trading is my retirement plan. I've already set out my plans. It's my retirement plan. My son, any of my child, I will teach the person trading. Once you are growing up, I will start showing you charts so that you start
Hmm.
early. If it's going to take
Hmm.
you 10 years, you start early. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. So this is an
Yeah.
opportunity.
100%.
It's an opportunity. But if you it's not easy, anything that is good does
Mm,
not come easy.
mm.
But when you scale through it, I'm telling you, yourself and your future will be proud of you. Yourself and your future will be proud of you. It's not easy. Remember, I said it. It is not easy. Trading is not easy. But why is a bit easier is because you have you have removed yourself from all the noise from different pairs. You are not focusing on one pair. You are not mastering one pair. Anything you do consistently, whether the devil likes it or not, my dear, you must start understanding it. It's not that I know how to trade 100%, but when I look at the chart, once it's US30, when I look, I know what is going. If I want to make, like, I have $100 account. Okay, let me gist you guys. Last week, I have $100 account. This account, SNES, I withdrew up to $300 last week, and I still have a running trade. The one I told you guys that I entered at a very massive support level. I don't know if this is my account. Let me try to log in.
Oh, yeah. That you've had for months. The one that you've had for months.
Yes,
That's been running.
exactly.
Okay,
Exactly.
yeah. I remember.
That
Yeah.
account, now, you see the price from, I used $100. That's the account.
Hmm.
Let me now show you guys. This is the account.
Hmm.
This is the account. I want to show you guys the
Is it transactional?
account information.
Okay.
I don't know if I can, it's something I will see here, but it's not showing me what I want. It's from my, okay, I can't do this from my iPhone. It's from my iPhone. I can't view it from here. I can't view it from here. But what am I trying to say? I just want to show you guys something. Is that same account that I'm trading, I withdrew. Hey, where is this?
Isn't it
Have you checked the
transaction history?
Transaction history.
Yeah, let's try that one. Go below the deposit, please. Withdraw, transfer. No, down. Just go down. Like just before, go, in the menu on the left. No, sorry, Mr. Ibuka, where
Yeah,
you've got, account, go to performance, go down, dividends, go down, take the arrow. No,
yeah.
it's going to be on your left. You know where you've got
at the,
Xness
at the
on the
Xmas
left-hand side?
portfolio side?
Yeah. So it's got trading, it's got accounts, it's got performance, not the big bit, on the little bit, the menu, go
Okay,
down. There should be
transaction
one,
history. Okay.
look at that one. Oh, okay. I thought it was there.
It's not here. I don't know.
Oh, it's not
Sometimes
there.
they hide. I don't know why they hide this thing.
They're crazy people.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah,
know
I
why
know.
they hide it. I don't know. I can't find it.
Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay.
Yeah, but what am I trying to say? Like, I just want to use it as an example. Is like the account is $100. I have a running.
Yeah.
This money that you see here is still running. Is still on. I still running. Like this, you see floating PL
Yeah.
386.
Yeah.
Yeah, the market is still running. The trade is still running. So why this trade is still on? I withdrew $300 last week.
Lovely.
Last week, yeah, I withdrew $200 last week. I saw an entry. I analyzed the market on 1 hour. I used one minute. I withdrew $300 last week. And I withdrew it, and I changed it to my currency. I used the money here because sometimes your psychology, you need to withdraw the money out and have it in your hand.
Yes.
I don't know if you understand. There is psychology
Yeah,
whatsoever that is there. You have to withdraw
very
all
true.
this online. Sometimes That's why Dangote will tell you, like, people have been saying that he's a billionaire. One day he went to the bank and withdraw $10 million and say, yes, now I know I have money. All this online, the money is here, the money is here in the bank or whatever. You have to withdraw it. There is psychology forever there, so that you feel it. You understand? It will encourage you. Use it and buy something for yourself. That is what I did. So it's not a movie. It is happening. Like you can withdraw $10 million, $5 million. Yeah, people are doing it depending on your account.
Sorry, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Who is talking? Chinaza.
Chinaza, yes. Please, I want to say something according to what you said now. I don't want to, lost it all. You said you withdraw. Like, I want to know how you withdraw life money from the account. Like, how is it possible? Because sometimes I do wonder how you can withdraw the money physically.
It's not life. It's not like from the profit that I made that
You
I
make
closed already.
Sorry?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. You make transfer or like how?
Okay, how
How
you
do you do
withdraw
it?
from Xness?
Yes.
It's not difficult now. Once this money now, if I want to withdraw it, even if I want to withdraw the 100, though this one is a floating profit, you go to if once you go to account, you go to withdraw. You go to withdraw. This is
So you
my online
transfer to
banking,
where?
Kuda Bank, right?
Come
From your
again, come again.
from your account, once you go to your if you open your Xness, you already have money there. You want to withdraw, you come to withdrawal. If you come to withdrawal, it will give you so many options. You now choose the one that is best for you. But first of all, if the money is still in your what's it called, your account, you have to transfer between your account to your normal USDT. You see the money now, payment method between your account, right? So now this money now is empty. I want to transfer it to maybe my wallet, USDT. I will come here and type the amount, 400 USDT. You type the amount. Once you type the amount, 400 USDT, right? You click continue. If you click continue, you continue with the process, right? I don't want to withdraw the money, but I'm just showing you, I'm just giving you an example. You
So
understand?
you're moving the money to where? Where are you moving the money to?
You move it to your USDT, your Binance or your Bybit. Because that's what I
Yeah,
use. But
your wallet.
you can still move it to your bank account directly. I used to use that one, but I stopped. And when I went for the option, they told me that I can't use it again. Then I used my USDT to withdraw the money. So once I withdraw it to USDT, I will now sell the USDT to Naira. Then once I sell it to Naira, I will now call for an exchanger here and tell the exchanger I need euro. The exchanger will not transfer Naira to the exchanger. The exchanger will not give me euro. I will not hold the euro in my hand. That is the trading money. The psychology that is there.
Whoa.
Do you understand? So last week I withdrew
Yes.
300 euro. I have it in my hand. I know that yes, this is not in my account. It's not in my USDT. I have the 300 euro in my hand. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. So you
very
can
clear.
actually do all this transaction from your